Introducing the S22 Pro Series, bright multicolor indicators and touch buttons from Banner Engineering. The flush mount S22s are perfect for panels and other industrial control applications that require communication between an operator and machine. Banner's S22 Pro Series models are rated IP66, IP67, and IP69K to ensure accurate touch response in washdown and dirty environments. Indicators clearly indicate machine and process status with up to 14 different colors, quickly guiding operators through assembly and other procedures. Touch models give operators a bright, ergonomic button that can be activated by bare or gloved hands. Pro Editor software compatibility allows customization of logic, colors, and animations, opening a multitude of possibilities beyond factory defaults. Models made from FDA-grade plastic are available for use in food and beverage applications. Connection options include standard cables and connectors, plus an integral terminal wiring option. Improve operator performance, simplify training, and clarify processes with the S22 Pro Series multicolor indicator and touch buttons. For more information, please visit bannerengineering.com.